Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I have a really amazing website for you guys, an AI software called Docuask. It is a personal chat box, kind of like ChatGPT, but instead of it being generalized, it's made specifically for you. You could turn it into a personalized chatbot, like I said, that can answer any questions related to the documents you upload to. So, right here, you can upload a document, for example, like a full book or a full manuscript or a handbook about a software, and then you can ask it any questions related to that document, and it gives you a full answer about that. So, for example, if you wanted to learn Adobe Premiere and you copy paste the full handbook of Adobe Premiere into DocuAsk, you're able to ask a question like best ways to cut clips, and it gives you the best answers related to that handbook. If this was helpful for you guys, please leave a like down below. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.